Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can use Cart Abandonment Recovery plugin for WooCommerce website. So for example, if a customer try to purchase a product and then he leave it on this page. So how we can send follow-up emails, and after that maybe we can convert that person into our customer. So for that you can go here and install a new plugin. Let me scroll down and here you can type this one, Cart Abandonment Recovery for WooCommerce, and you will get multiple plugins. You can try one by one. So the first one, this one is the plugin that is mostly used for this purpose. And here you can check the active installations and ratings. Now click on activate button, and after that here you can see this one, last option. So this one is dashboard overview. After that here you can go to follow up emails. So these are the default emails, and here you can see the time. So you can edit these follow up emails. Here you can add the template name, title, and you can activate the template from here, and then scroll down. Here you can add your own text. After that here you can select the time period. So in the same way you can also customize these two templates. Then after that click on settings. So this one is the cutoff time. Here you can select the time. After that here you can add the coupon discount, and then here you can add your own details like admin email, name. So these are the important things in this plugin.